This is the Blizzard Samba. This ski is the master of all trades. It's your perfect do-everything ski in almost every condition and terrain. At 98 millimeters underfoot, it was a shade narrow for the category, which means there might be some better options out there for pure powder. But when the hill gets tracked out, the Blizzard Samba will shine. It's light and lively, which makes it zip through bumps and trees, but it's also plenty strong on edge too. But what makes this ski so special is its unique combination of stability and ease. It's an expert ski for sure, but testers were very surprised by how forgiving it could be.